welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk to you guys more about protective styling, why I put my hair in a protective style. This is not necessarily a tutorial because, as you can see, this is a very lazy protective style method that I just tried to do because I was so over taking care of my hair, and my hair is more difficult to handle now because I am 6 months post relaxer. You're going to see the amount of new growth I've gotten. I'm going to zoom closer or come closer to the camera so you guys can see the amount of growth I've gotten in 6 months. So at this point when I did this video, I was just too tired and I just wanted to get my hair out of the way. You can see the amount of growth I got. So I just wanted to put my hair in some kind of protective style and just rest for a few weeks. So today I'm going to talk to you guys a little about protective styling, and I got a lot of questions on my TikTok, and almost everybody keep complaining of the same thing: breakage and hair not growing, no difference in length. And I talk about retaining length, and most of them don't even know what length retention means. So I know most of you that are following me here are from my TikTok account, and I'm going to explain a little bit of why protective styling is very necessary. Now, putting my hair in a protective style, and as you can see, I am already 6 months post relaxer. I am doing everything possible to see that I retain length and the hair I already have does not break off before I even relax the new growth. Because if my hair keeps on breaking off and I don't take proper care of it, when I relax my hair and expect to see new growth or see a difference in length, I am not going to see that difference because the hair that I already have has already broken off completely. Now, and the reason why I don't go to any hairstylist anymore, at least in the past few years, I've been doing my hair by myself. No matter how tired or how bad it looks, I end up doing my hair by myself because I feel I know my hair better and I can handle my hair better. And as you can see, before I actually started doing this protective style, once I take down each of the braids, I moisturize my hair, I apply my leave-in conditioner, I also applied my oil before I started braiding my hair, before I even applied the gel. I don't know if I showed that in this video. And all this is to at least keep my hair in a good moisturized condition before I add the extra attachment to it. So I just started to do this jumbo braids just to put my hair out of the way for a few weeks before I get back to my normal hair routine. And I am gradually going close to my 9th month post relaxer, which is going to be by December, and that is when I'm going to relax my hair. So right now my hair is in a very critical state and I have to make sure that I pamper it as much as I can to prevent breakage. Now, if you're doing this hairstyle and you want your roots to look very sleek and laid down, you can straighten your hair first or blow dry your hair first. Just make sure that your hair is straightened and flat. And yeah, you can also go in with your shine and jam. I used the Eco Style gel, and once I put Eco Styling gel on my hair just becomes coily, and I didn't straighten my hair. As you can see in the video, I am completely avoiding heat. For the past 8 months, I've not tried adding heat to my hair in any way. So, and I'm not going to do anything that has to do with heat on my hair until December, which is when I'm going to relax my hair. So you guys should just bear with me, and that's the reason why my roots are looking all coily and puffy. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also follow me on my social media handles on Instagram and also TikTok, where I post every day. And I also forgot to point out that you guys shouldn't mind this particular hair. I slept with it, and that's the reason why it's looking all coily. I was too lazy to do this particular hair, and I do better. I am not a professional braider, but I braid more than this at least. So yeah, I hope you guys don't mind. This is just something to just put my hair out of the way for a few weeks, and I actually got the energy to do a TikTok video after doing this hair because I was feeling myself. So if you want to see how the hair turned out at the end, then just stay tuned and watch till the end of this video when I was actually feeling myself, you know, after doing the hair. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.